In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new email account and connect to Apollo.io. By the end, your new mailbox will be securely linked so you can send, track, and manage outreach directly from Apollo. Before we start, make sure you have an active Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 email and that your Apollo role allows mailbox connections. From your Apollo home screen, begin by opening Admin Settings. This is where all organization-level controls live. If you don't see admin settings, you may need an admin to grant you access or perform the connection on your behalf. Next, go into All Settings. Think of this as the full control panel. It puts every configuration option in one place so you don't have to hunt around later. Now open the Mailboxes section. This is where you manage which email accounts are linked to Apollo for sending and syncing. It's also where you'll see connection status if you ever need to troubleshoot. Choose Link Mailbox. This starts a secure connection process using your email provider's authentication. You're not typing server credentials into Apollo. Instead, Apollo requests permission to send and sync through your provider, which is safer and easier to manage. When prompted, select Google or Outlook. Pick the one that hosts your new email. If your address uses Gmail or Google Workspace, choose Google. If it's Microsoft 365 or Exchange Online, choose Outlook. Selecting the correct provider helps Apollo automatically apply the right connection method without any manual server settings. You'll see a checkbox for terms of service. Read the summary and check the box to confirm. This step acknowledges the permissions Apollo will request, such as sending on your behalf and syncing messages, which enables features like automated outreach and reply tracking. Finally, click Link Mailbox. A secure sign-in window will appear from your provider. Choose the correct account, complete any multi-factor prompts, and grant the requested permissions. When you're redirected back to Apollo, you should see your mailbox listed with a connected status. If the window doesn't open, allow pop-ups for Apollo in your browser, and try again. Also, if your company uses single sign-on, be sure you pick the organizational account rather than a personal one. That's it. You opened Admin Settings, went into All Settings, navigated to Mailboxes, started the link flow, chose your provider, accepted the terms, and completed the connection. With your mailbox linked, you're ready to launch sequences and manage replies right inside Apollo. Thanks for watching, and happy prospecting.